Welcome to my channel for the one that are new here. My name is Jen. Welcome. For today's look, we are going with this red eyeshadow with some glitters that you can wear on Valentine's Day or any day of the year. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm starting by priming my face. I'm using the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect primer. For my laugh lines, I will be using the Wet n Wild Photofocus eyeshadow primer. And for my pores, I will be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. To prime my eyelids, I will be using a white concealer by the brand She. So I will be blending this out using my synthetic buffer brush. I will be using for this look the James Charles palette times Morphe, and I will be packing this red color on my lids, and I will also be using this red shade in my crease and to blend out the crease. So basically this red shade is the only eyeshadow that I'm using for this eye look. A clean brush to blend the edges of the eyeshadow. I'm going back with some of the red eyeshadow to pat it on my lids because I felt like I've lost some of the color. Now I'm going in with the hard candy glitter gel palette Glitteratzi in the color Electric Sunset, and I will be using this red glitter on top. Next, I'm setting my face using my Air Spun translucent powder. I'm doing this right before putting my foundation. Sometimes I feel like it helps with to control my oily face. For foundation today, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the color Nutmeg, and I will be blending this out using my Sonia Kashuk damp sponge. I'm adding a little bit more of the foundation on my cheeks because I feel like it was too sheer, so I added more foundation for more coverage. Now today I will be using two concealers. I will go first in with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon, and then on top of that I will go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Fair. I will also, I forgot, but I will also go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color Warm Honey to highlight my chin, the top of my lip, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. contour, I will be using my L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation in the color Nut Brown Cacao. After blending this out with my brush, I will go after that with my sponge to make sure that it is seamless. To set my highlighted areas, I will be using again the Air Spun translucent powder. I will use this under my eyes. On top of my lips, my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Now to set the rest of my face, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder in the color Cacao. Contour, I will be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color Dark to Deep. And I will be contouring my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead, I think. To finish my eyes, I will go in with the same red color on my lower lash line. To highlight my inner corner, I will be using the highlight shade from the Black Radiance Contour Palette. And I will be also putting this on my brow bone. I will be highlighting the top of my cheeks, my nose, bridge of my nose, and Cupid's bow. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I've already put my lashes off camera, and now I am adding the mascara on my lower lash line. For lips, I will be using the Nicka K Bold Eye Pencil in the color brown. For my lips, I will be using the Bite Matte Creme Lip Crayon in the color Glassy. And that's it for today, guys. So this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you all on my next one. Thank you so much. Mwah.